natural chic nails for my friend Ari's golden birthday. I'm going to teach you how to go from 0 to 10. 10 fingers that is. For everyone that's new here, hi, I'm Anika Kai, professional makeup artist and DIY queen. I was tired of spending a fortune at the nail salon, and I learned how to do Gel X nails at home. The most important step to achieve salon quality results is to prep the nail. We're trimming and shaping Ari's natural nail to perfection and making sure they're clean and dry. This is the secret to those perfect, long-lasting nails. I told my gorgeous friend Ari that I would save her some coin and gift her a fresh set of grabbers as a birthday present. Milestone birthdays can be challenging because the pressure is to have XYZ or be XYZ by a certain age, but honestly, making it to another year in these times is cause for a celebration. I'm not a huge birthday person myself, but I realize celebrating yourself is so important. Acknowledging and appreciating the milestones, achievements, and positive moments of our lives is a reminder that we are indeed growing towards being the best version of ourselves. Now it's time to apply primer and the Gel X nail tips. Trust me, this is a game changer. Take the tip and apply a small amount of glue onto the back. Stick it onto your natural nail and press down gently. The glue should flow to the end of the nail bed smoothly. So satisfying. Once the tip is in place, flash cure it in the small UV lamp for 10 seconds. Once all 5 nails are on, pop them in a large UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. We wanted to keep most of the length for this set, so I just sharpened the edges with the nail file and moved right into the design. If this video is helpful to you so far, please give it a thumbs up and watch my nail playlist for more in-depth tutorials. She wanted a minimalistic design, so I used my Old Faithful Put It in Neutral by OPI as a base. After 2 coats of that, I grabbed my white gel polish from Beetles and a striper brush. Not gonna lie, I was struggling with these squiggles. Like, who knew it was so hard to draw squiggles? But trust, I got the job done for my good sis. Let's add some top coat for the smoothness and shine. And don't forget cuticle oil, because honey, we're trying to give salon experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Bye!